Ah, I started the music too late, and besides, there's too much to go over. No time for entry music. You guys know I'm live at 8:30. You know I'm live at noon. I'm not gonna screw around with entry music anymore. Plus, I'm kind of sick of that song anyway. If you know any good royalty-free music, DM it, okay? Remember, it's got to be royalty-free because if you play it on... I mean, I joked about James Hetfield's birthday this morning. I would love to start with some Metallica, but it gets all the videos taken down. So if you've got some royalty-free music that you like, shoot us a DM. Anyway, let's get to work. Mara's over 4. Oh, of course it is. What's the hot sectors? We got 3 of them. Virus plays. Cannot believe Virus plays are hot. CODX just hit a new 52-week high. What? CODX has probably been like the hottest stock for, basically 6 months now. We're going back to February. Virus plays EVs, electric vehicles, particularly the SPAC EVs, okay? We talked about this last night. My boy, Billy Ackman. We've got a new one coming, Ride. Actually, that's one of the topics I wanted to go over today. CNBC had a article today. It's linked. Move over Nikola, a new electric truck SPAC called Lordstown is forming, and the shares are surging. So we got another one of these EV SPACs, and then the last hot sector, which is Mara and Riot, is crypto's back. So those are the 3 biggest themes right now. Man, if you were here this morning, it was kind of cool this morning. We talked about the difference between a good chart and a bad chart. And a lot of this is experience, okay? And that's why I want you showing up every day. That's why I want you checking out the Steady Trade team. But, if you were here, or I posted a quick link on my personal Instagram, where, you can see it in like 10 seconds. I'm like, Riot, Mara, strong charts. DPW, weak chart. And listen, and I'm not trying to be like this is some amazing talent. It's not. What it is 15 years of looking at charts every single day. So how can I, at 8:30 in the morning, how can I, in a matter of seconds, look at a chart like DPW? They're all the same. They're all crypto plays. What tells me that Riots and Mara are strong and DPW is AKA weak? Experience. It's showing up every single day. It's grinding. So, that being said, Mara, and Riot. Mara and Riot, new high day. Beautiful. CODX, probably going to be a new high day. This morning's notes on CODX. Let's hope for a VWAP hold. High a day break into the afternoon. Oh my gosh. Mara and Riot are just ruining my flow. I closed that CNBC article, didn't I? Oh, right. And gold. What's this Goldman Sachs? Anyway, EVs, coronavirus, Bitcoin crypto plays, SPACs, coronavirus, etc. Candy. Is Candy breaking high day? Oh, Candy, how you came and you stayed without taking, but I sent you away, oh, Candy. Man, this breaks high day in the afternoon. Sorry for my Barry Manilow impersonation, but all these runners are inspiring. That dates me. Did anybody else get the Barry Manilow reference? Who else is that old? Anyway, Candy EV play, hell of a red to green this morning. Just broke high today, 850. I would look for just broke hard at 850. Would love to see this consolidate here. Then break 9 into the afternoon with risk on 850. With risk on 850. Goal 10 plus this week. 10 plus this week. Swing trade idea on hot EV sector. Beautiful. There's just too much going on. I had like this whole agenda of stuff I wanted to talk about. So revisiting last night, it's hard to focus. I like how I have the focus, the rock. I've got the Brahma Bull focus shirt on today, and it's like borderline impossible to focus today. Anyway, we talked about the long EV versus short oil and gas idea last night on the Sunday Night Futures Live. By the way, if you were here Sunday night, I'm like, man, things are looking good. We are at 3-month highs, all-time highs on the tech-heavy NASDAQ. You guys know, if you're here every day, you know I freaking love NASDAQs, okay? Apple, Amazon, Google, Facebook, on down the, focus on NASDAQ stocks right now. It's the tech-heavy sector, okay? I don't care about these junk OTCs, okay? That you try and trade these OTCs, you close your eyes, they drop 50%. You're like, what happened? Okay? Ignore the NYSE, boring, tech-heavy NASDAQ, okay? That's where all your focus should be right now, okay? And I mean, some of you asking about ADT. Okay, ADT. This is what happens when you have a NASDAQ stock like Google, okay? Notice, ADT, boring NYSE big board stock. Nobody cares. And actually, thank you for bringing this up. Nobody could care less about ADT until what happened? Google comes along, and all of a sudden you have a NASDAQ or an NYSE stock that actually moves on the day. Okay? So I'm glad you guys brought up ADT. That being said, kind of, it's below VWAP, trending here, trending lower, I should say. I don't really see any play on ADT, but the longer this hangs around, especially, we kind of get middle of the end of the week, and you get more news flow, okay? If Google brings more news flow on this, I could see ADT making a late day move, or late week. I think it's kind of done for today. But look for follow-up PRs into the end of the week. But good discussion of the difference, between nobody cares about big board stocks. Nobody cares about OTCs except for, like people that live in a dumpster. Okay, no offense if you live in a dumpster. Okay, but those are the only people that care about OTCs. Plug. Looky there. What do you got with Plug? You got another NASDAQ EV play trading unusual volume, and it's about to break out at 10. Okay. Example number 900. So, a lot of you talking about Ford, former runner. New wire. So breaking news. Okay, go to the link in bio and check out breaking news. So as of 11:26, so 11:26 a.m. breaking news posted. Ford moving on this new wireless power product certified by the FCC. Amazon listing coming per link. They've been granted FCC certification for their wireless low power transmitter. And then breaking news gives a link to an FCC article. Well, kind of looks like. So number one, great job breaking news on the alert here. I don't really see anything here because this kind of looks like just an algo buy, okay? You know, we see this. The headline hits, and you see these quick spikes. I think Ford, you know, that spike was just algo buying. Now, big pullback if this can hang around, but I don't really see an afternoon play on this. Now again, great job breaking news on that alert at 11:26 a.m. So, Mara! Beautiful. New high a day. Let me get some Q&A. So, let me do some Q&A and then I'm out of here. Kodak's dead. Pinterest. As long as it's above VWAP, Pinterest is a slow-moving swing idea. Man, it's hard to take my eyes off Mara. So main afternoon plays, Mara, CODX, Riot, Candy, Plug. I would say focus on pick a sector, okay? Back to the focus from the Brahma Bull. Pick a sector that you like the most and focus on that. If you like crypto, focus on crypto. So if you like crypto, it's Riot, it's Mara. If you like EVs, it's Candy, it's Plug, WKHS. If it's Virus, it's CODX. So those are the main watches. And CBay has CBay has a price upgrade. So I would watch CBay over 5. Breaking news just posted that it has a price target upgrade from 8 to 13. Ugh. Too many stocks. CBay breaking news says PT upgrade to 13 from 8. Watch 5 breaks. All right, everyone. I hope you were here this morning. I hope you heard the calls on Riot, the calls on Raya, the calls on CODX, the focus on EVs, the focus on SPACs. We're doing a ton of good stuff here, man. Last night, I felt like, really, like actionable, useful information. So I'm really going to commit to doing those Sunday night sessions because here's the thing. And you guys have seen it this session. There's so much going on. And I know I've said that 100 times, but that's what's great about the Sunday night. We can focus a little more. All right, everyone, check out the link in bio. Check out the Steady Trade team. Check out the breaking news chat, man. It's a huge tool. I mean, I'm PHUN. Breaking news just posted. The CBay upgrade, the news on Ford. It's such good stuff, and it's in one spot. Okay, one spot, and you only get the most actionable information each and every day. It's nap time. I gotta take a nap, and then I'll be back I'll come back at 2 p.m. I'm joking. I'll just drink 6 more pots of coffee. All right, have a great day, everyone. Hope to see you in the Steady Trade team. Otherwise, see you tomorrow morning, 8:30 Eastern, right here.